بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. Welcome to online Quran. Dear student, in this lesson we will learn double fatha, double kasra, double dhamma. Let's start. Repeat after me. Mim double fatha man, mim double kasra min, mim double dhamma mun, man, min, mun. Ba double fatha ban, ba double kasra bin, ba double dhamma bun, ban, bin, bun. Waw double fatha wan, waw double kasra win, waw double dhamma wun, wan, win, wun. Fa double fatha fan, fa double kasra fin, fa double dhamma fun, fan, fin, fun. Sa double fatha san, sa double kasra sin, sa double dhamma sun, san, sin, sun. Zal double fatha zan, zal double kasra zin, zal double dhamma zun, zan, zin, zun. Zwa double fatha zan, zwa double kasra zin, zwa double dhamma zun, zan, zin, zun. Za double fatha zan, za double kasra zin, za double dhamma zun, zan, zin, zun. Sin double fatha san, sin double kasra sin, sin double dhamma sun, san, sin, sun. Swad double fatha san, swad double kasra sin, swad double dhamma sun, san, sin, sun. Ta double fatha tan, ta double kasra tin, ta double dhamma tun, tan, tin, tun. Dal double fatha dan, dal double kasra din, dal double dhamma dun, dan, din, dun. Ta double fatha tan, ta double kasra tin, ta double dhamma tun, tan, tin, tun. Ra double fatha ran, ra double kasra rin, ra double dhamma run, ran, rin, run. Noon double fatha nan, noon double kasra nin, noon double dhamma nun, nan, nin, nun. Lam double fatha lan, lam double kasra lin, lam double dhamma lun. Zwad double fatha zan, zwad double kasra zin, zwad double dhamma zun, zan, zin, zun. Ya double fatha yan, ya double kasra yin, ya double dhamma yun, yan, yin, yun. Shin double fatha shan, shin double kasra shin, shin double dhamma shun, shan, shin, shun. Jim double fatha jan, jim double kasra jin, jim double dhamma jun, jan, jin, jun. Kaf double fatha kan, kaf double kasra kin, kaf double dhamma kun, kan, kin, kun. Qaf double fatha kan, qaf double kasra qin, qaf double dhamma kun, qan, kin, kun. Kha double fatha khan, kha double kasra khin, kha double dhamma khun, khan, khin, khun. Ghain double fatha ghan, ghain double kasra ghin, ghain double dhamma gun, ghan, ghin, gun. Ha double fatha han, ha double kasra hin, ha double dhamma hun, han, hin, hun. Ain double fatha an, ain double kasra in, ain double dhamma un, an, in, un. Ha double fatha han, ha double kasra hin, ha double dhamma hun, han, hin, hun. Hamza double fatha an, hamza double kasra in, hamza double dhamma un, an, in, un. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, share, like my channel. Online Quran lesson for free. Thanks a lot.